Hi guys, this is Teacher Nerly and welcome again to my channel. Guys, special itong araw na ito kasi ngayong araw, dalawa yung topic na ating i-discuss. Pero bago natin pag-aralan yung dalawang topics na sinasabi ko, meron tayo dito trivia. Ang trivia natin ngayong araw ay ito, 4 is the only number that has the same number of letters at its meaning. So, sinasabi sa trivia natin to na special ang 4 kasi among all the numbers, siya lang yung may same number of letters na katumbas ng kanyang value. Kung mag-iisip kasi tayo ng iba pang numbers at in-spell natin siya in English, iba na yung kanyang value. For example, 5. So, English yan, di ba, ay F-I-V. So, meron kayo dyan 4 letters, pero yung number natin is 5. Meron tayong 3. Meron kayong 5 letters, pero yung number nga natin is 3. At saka yung special dito sa 4, inisip ko siya sa Tagalog. At yung 4, 'di ba? Apat. Nagkataon, apat lang din yung letter para sa 4. At wala na akong maisip na ibang Tagalog na numero na kaparehas niya ng bilang ng letters. Kung meron kayong maisip na nagkataon na parehas din ng bilang letters, pwede nyo i-comment dito sa ating YouTube video. At kung gusto nyo pa makatanggap ng mga bagong trivia at math lessons mula dito sa akin channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button at ang notification bell. Alright. At tayo nang magtungo sa ating topic for today. So ngayong araw, ang pag-aralan natin ay simplifying fractions at ang changing improper fractions to mixed numbers. Itong dalawang topic na to, tinuturing ko siyang mga finishing touches kapag kayo ay nagsosolve. Kasi yung mga, kung ma-experience nyo, yung mga teachers nyo, after nyo mag-solve, kailangan nyo pa express yung inyong fraction into simplest form or reduce your fractions into simplest form, at yun ang kinukonsider nila na final answer. Or kung meron kayong improper fractions, dapat i-convert nyo pa siya sa kanyang corresponding mixed numbers. Okay, kaya sinasabi ko siyang finishing touches. Tapos nyo mag-solve, kailangan nyo pa siyang i-simplify o change sa mixed numbers. At dito sa topic na to, meron tayong mga steps na naman na kailangan sundin. Okay, let us start by studying the steps on changing fractions to its simplest form. So, ang pag-aralan natin isang way muna. So, one way to simplify fractions is to find the greatest, underline ko to, greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Here are the steps to follow. Write down the factors for the numerator and denominator. Then, determine the largest factor that is common between the two, or yung ating GCF, greatest common factor. After finding the GCF, we need to divide the numerator and denominator by the GCF. Okay. Then, write down the reduced fraction, and that is our final answer. Okay. So, let us apply these steps in the following examples. Reduce the fractions. We have number 1, 30 over 45. First step daw natin, i-list down natin yung factors ng numerator and denominator. Okay? We need to find the GCF by listing down the factors of the numerator, which is 30, and the denominator, which is 45. Pag sinabi natin factors, siya lang yung numbers that we multiply to get the product. In this particular example, ang ating product ay ang 30 at 45. So, ano ba yung mga numbers na minumultiply natin para makuha yung 30? Pwede nyong sulat ang 1 at 30 kasi 1 times 30 is 30. We also have 2 and 15 kasi 2 times 15 is 30. We also have 3 and 10 kasi 3 times 10 is 30 and we have 6 times 5. At ang 6 times 5 ay 30 rin. Okay. I-arrange natin to ng maayos. So we have here 5 and 6. Then let us determine yung mga factors ng 45. Ang factors ng 45 ay 1 at 45 kasi 1 times 45 is 45. We also have 5 times 9. Then what else? We have also 3 times 15. Okay. So, ang ating mga factors ng 45 ay 1, 5, 3, 15, 9, and 45. Then sa 30, meron kayong 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Then, kailangan natin malaman yung GCF. So, greatest common factor, yung pinakamalaking number na meron parehas sila. So, ang ating GCF, circle natin, ay 15. Kasi ito yung biggest number na meron tayo sa ating list. So, 15. Means that we need to divide 30 and 45 by 15. Kasi yun ang sinasabi sa steps natin. So, 30 over 45 divided by 15. Divided by 15. Okay. So, 30 divided 15 is 2. And 45 divided by 15 is 3. And this is our simplest form for the fraction 30 over 45. So, paano ba na natin malalaman kung ang ating fraction ay in simplest form? Kailangan no other whole number can divide both the numerator and the denominator except 1. Pag sinabi natin no other numbers, wala siyang, pag dinivide natin, wala siyang remainder. Okay. So, makaka-divide lang kasi sa 2 at 3 ay 1. So, it means that our fraction is already in simplest form. Alright. Let us have number 2. We had 9 over 36. Kailangan natin gawin. Find the factors of 9 and 36. Okay. So, 9 is the product of 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. 36 is a product of 1 and 36. Then we have 2 and 18. We also have 3 and 12. And what else? What are the other products of 36? That's it. Ito na yung ating, we also have 4 and 9. Okay, good. So, ito yung lahat ng factors of 36. So, ang biggest number natin dito, our GCF is 9. It means that we need to divide 9 and 36 by 9. So, divide 9 and 36 by 9. So, 9 divided by 9 is 1. And 36 divided by 9 is 4. Okay, and this is our simplest form of the fraction 9 over 36. Alright, let's have our last example for simplifying fractions. 8 over 22. List down the factors of our numerator and denominator. We have 1, 8, 2, and 4. For 22, we have 1 and 22, 2, and 11. And the largest or the greatest common factor of 8 and 22 is 2. Okay. Let us now divide 8 and 22 by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 11 sorry, 22 divided by 2 is 11. And that is our final answer. Okay, then let's convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Pag sinabi nating improper fractions, ito yung mga fractions na bigger yung numerator kaysa sa denominator. Like 5 over 3. 5 is greater than 3. Improper fraction yan. Another example is 6 over 2. And we also have 9 over 3. Then, not only bigger a fraction that is also has the same denominator and numerator. Pag ganun ng fraction, kinukonsider din siyang improper fractions. Like 3 over 3 and 4 over 4. Mga yan, improper fractions. Okay, let us study the steps on how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. First step natin, divide the numerator by the denominator. Then, write the result as the whole number. Pag sinabi natin yung result ay yung quotient. Yung quotient, siya yung magiging whole number ng ating mixed numbers. Then, write any remainder as the numerator. Then, yung remainder magiging numerator siya ng fraction. And denominator stays the same. Kung ano yung given denominator, yan din yung magiging denominator ng fraction natin sa mixed numbers. Okay. Ang mixed numbers class, mixed numbers ay yung number with a whole number and a fraction. Example niyan ay 2 and 1/3. Meron tayong whole number na 2 at fraction na 1/3. Ulitin natin. Pag mixed numbers, may whole number siya at saka fraction. Another example niyan ay 4 and 2 over 5. Whole number, 4, and a fraction of 2 over 5. Okay. Now, let's have answer. Let's answer itong ating mga examples. Change the following fractions to mixed numbers. Okay, number 1, 17 over 3. So, step natin, divide the numerator by the denominator. So, divide 17 by 3. 17 divided by 3 is, we have 5. Okay? So, 5 times 3 is 15. And we have a remainder of 2. Based do sa steps natin, 2 will be the numerator. And 5 is the whole number. So, this will be 5 and 2 over 3. At kung ano yung fraction, or kung ano yung denominator na given sa ating example, yun ang ating gagamitin. So, 17 over 3 is 5 and 2 over 3. Okay. Now, let's have number 2. We have 25 divided by 4. Okay, 25 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Then subtract. We have a remainder of 1. 6 will be the whole number and 1 will be the numerator. Then, kung ano yung given denominator, yun din yung ating denominator for the mixed number. We have here 6 and 1 over 4. Okay, our answer here will be 6 and 1 over 4. Alright, now number 3. 18 divided by 5. 18 divided by 5 is 3. Times 5 is 15. Then, no, subtract. Then we need to subtract, so that is 3. We have a remainder of 3. So it will be 3 and 3 over 5. Let us write down our final answer here. 3 and 3 over 5. Okay. Let us encircle our final answers. And yun yung ating mga final answers. At ngayon, let us have your worksheets. Ito. Ito yung worksheets nyo para sa changing improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, kindly pause the video in this part. Okay, and ito naman yung kanyang answer key. Alright, now dun tayo sa simplifying fraction. Okay, answer nyo muna itong 1 to 10. Pause the video. Okay, then ito yung kanyang final. Ito yung kanyang answer key. Okay, so I will provide the link of these two worksheets on my YouTube videos. At inuulit ko, kung gusto nyo makatanggap ng mga trivias at ng mga weekly lessons about math, kindly subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye for now. Bye guys.